how much should you actually spend on a DSLR camera? It's tricky because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Tesfot 4K digital camera. First up is the Tesfot 4K digital camera. Priced at just $59.98, this compact camera caught my eye for its affordability and impressive features. If you want a budget-friendly option that delivers quality, this is worth a serious look. The 4K video capability means you can capture sharp, Ultra HD footage, making it perfect for vlogging or preserving memories in stunning detail. With a 64-megapixel sensor, this camera is designed for easy shooting and creative recording. Plus, the built-in Wi-Fi allows for quick sharing, so you can upload your content without hassle. The 180-degree flip screen is a game-changer for selfies and vlogs, making it super user-friendly for beginners. Now, here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're just starting out or need a casual camera for everyday use, this fits the bill. Now, some people complained about the image stabilization not being as solid as expected. Here's the thing though, for the price, it's not a deal breaker. If you want professional-grade stabilization, you may need to invest more, but for casual use, this works just fine. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or just need something lightweight for everyday photography. Skip this one if you're a seasoned pro looking for advanced features. Honestly, for under $60, it offers great value. Now, if the Tesfot stabilization bothered you, this next camera takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Canon EOS R100. Next is the Canon EOS R100, priced at $549. This mirrorless camera really stood out with its 24.1 megapixel sensor and compact design. If you want a more serious camera that still feels portable, this is worth a look. The EOS R100 features a Digic 8 image processor that significantly enhances shooting functionality, making it easy to capture sharp images in various conditions. The advanced autofocus system covers 143 zones, which is fantastic for tracking subjects, especially in dynamic environments. With 4K video capabilities at 24 frames per second, you can create content that looks professional without breaking the bank. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're shooting videos for YouTube or just want stunning photos, this camera delivers on both fronts. Now, some users pointed out that the autofocus can struggle in low light. I'll be real with you, that might be a concern if you're often shooting in dim conditions. However, if most of your work is in well-lit settings, this camera shines. This is perfect for you if you're an aspiring photographer looking for a reliable, compact DSLR. Skip this one if you often shoot in low light or need something more specialized. Overall, it's a solid investment for quality. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for vloggers and content creators.
Product number 3, Canon EOS R50. The Canon EOS R50 is next, and while I don't have a set price for it yet, it's been gaining popularity fast. This camera boasts a 24.2 megapixel sensor and is tailored for vloggers. If you're focused on content creation, this one could be perfect for you. What caught my attention is its high-speed continuous shooting capability of up to 12 FPS, which is great for capturing action. The advanced autofocus covers nearly the entire frame with 651 zones, ensuring you don't miss a moment, even with moving subjects. Plus, it has exceptional low-light performance, which is crucial for those evening shoots. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you plan on making engaging videos or capturing vibrant photos in various conditions, the EOS R50 has you covered. Now, some people mention that it lacks a built-in ND filter, which can be frustrating for video creators. But here's the thing, you can easily add external filters, so it's not a deal breaker if you're flexible with your gear. This is perfect for you if you're a content creator wanting to step up your game. Skip this if you're strictly a hobbyist who won't use the advanced features. Honestly, it's a great choice for serious creators. Now, if you're looking for something even more advanced, the next product ramps it up significantly.
Product number 4, Canon EOS R6 Mark II. Now, let's talk about the Canon EOS R6 Mark II. While it doesn't have a listed price yet, it's considered a high-end option that's worth every penny for serious photographers. With a 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor, this camera delivers stunning image quality. If you want the best, this one is definitely worth considering. The high-speed continuous shooting capability at up to 40 FPS is incredible for capturing fast-moving subjects, whether it's sports or wildlife. The advanced subject acquisition system is impressive, detecting not just people, but also animals and vehicles with ease. Plus, the optimized video recording allows for 6K oversampled, uncropped 4K movies at up to 60 FPS. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you need a camera that can handle any shooting scenario, this model is designed to impress. Now, some reviews mention that it's on the heavier side compared to other models. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about photography, the weight is something you'll adapt to, especially when you see the quality you get in return. This is perfect for you if you're a professional photographer or serious enthusiast looking for top-tier performance. Skip this if you need something lightweight for travel. Honestly, it's a fantastic investment for quality. And finally, let's wrap things up with a classic option that many photographers love.
Product number 5, Nikon D7500. Last but not least is the Nikon D7500, which comes with a versatile 18 to 140mm lens. Although it doesn't have a listed price, it's well regarded for its performance. If you're looking for a DSLR that balances quality with user-friendly features, this is worth your attention. The D7500 offers class-leading image quality and a wide ISO range, making it perfect for various lighting setups. The large 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen is a nice touch, making it easier to shoot from different angles. With 4K Ultra HD video capability, you can create stunning videos that stand out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking for a reliable camera that performs well in diverse situations, this fits the bill. Now, some users have complained about the weight, stating it feels bulky during long shoots. However, if you're serious about your photography, this shouldn't deter you. The sturdiness can actually be a benefit in demanding environments. This is perfect for you if you're an enthusiast who enjoys versatility in photography. Skip this one if you prefer lightweight gear for travel. It offers solid value for a DSLR of its caliber.
So there you have it. The Tesfot 4K digital camera for budget-conscious beginners, the Canon EOS R100 for aspiring photographers, the EOS R50 for vloggers, the EOS R6 Mark II for professionals, and the Nikon D7500 for those who want a versatile DSLR. Each has its strengths, so it really comes down to what you need. Happy shooting!